So restraint is really important during a veterinary visit because we oftentimes have to do things with animals that are unpleasant, that are uncomfortable for animals. And in the past, restraint has been the gold standard, right? And the reason why most veterinarians use restraint is because animals are afraid and they struggle and they show avoidance, or they're afraid and they show aggression. And so it's really a safety factor to keep the people safe, the dogs safe. The problem is that restraint, handling, and those things, they don't actually treat the underlying motivation for the behavior. So usually the underlying motivation is that the animal is afraid or that the animal is anxious. So really our goal is to think, well, do we really have to use handling and restraint so much? Or can we actually change the animal's emotional state to where they're less afraid or they're less anxious? And there actually are a lot of studies that have come out recently that have suggested actually less is more, especially with cats. The less handling we do with cats, usually the better they are. There have been studies that have been shown with cats, the less handling we do, more passive restraint rather than active restraint, actually reduces fear and anxiety and stress. And it probably is the same true for dogs too as well. So there are a lot of things we can do to avoid that, and to make things better.